You are going to love the 2009 Shelby GT500. Shelby GT500 is based on the 9th generation Mustang and is the most capable production version ever built. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, fog lights, cruise control, multifunctional information center, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.